Where are we going, Jen, today?
I'm going to try bilo-bilo.
No, we're gonna try halo-halo.
Halo-halo.
Yeah, we'll see.
Any difference between...
It's different.
Yeah, it's all desserts. So that's why. Yeah, it's not easy because the car is so low. So it takes so much effort for me. Better to do like this. Oh. Okay, Liz, where are we going to?
We're gonna go to the mall.
Okay. It's Filipino food. Yeah, they have buffet. It means I can take whatever I want.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Yeah, this one. You can put more. Yeah, more.
Do you remember kare-kare? It's like a peanut sauce.
Okay, only one. It's not spicy, right? Looks so nice. Is it the same? It looks a bit different. Looks so Filipino. No, I need knife first.
But you know, knife doesn't exist in Philippines.
Okay, if you have sausage, how are you gonna cut it?
With a spoon? What is this question? What do you mean?
I'm curious. I'm gonna start with this pumpkin.
White pumpkin.
Yeah, white pumpkin.
We call it upo.
You know, it looks like zucchini. Actually, it looks
It's
like.
long and green.
Yeah, very good. I like this kind of food because it's not fried. It doesn't have too much like spice or sauce or anything. Eggplant, but there is some sauce.
This is kare-kare.
Wow, it's very good. What is it? Some beef or pork?
They don't serve pork.
Wow, so good.
I think it's like this towel. You know?
Wow, it's really good. I need to ask for the recipe. And there is this aftertaste. It's so pleasant after this. I know palabok. It's my favorite, and I like it very much because it has so special taste and it's unique. This kind of transparent pasta, and then they just put this sauce, eggs, some seafood. I don't know. You know, palabok is always good. I don't know how you can spoil palabok. Can you? I think I can. If I cook, I could. So, can I finish this?
Yeah, alright.
Pancit, canton, and bihon.
Yeah.
Look, I know. Yeah, I like that there are so many different vegetables. You know, I like cabbage. You know, it's different than palabok because palabok has so rich taste. It's unique, kind of. I've never tried this taste before. Bon appetit. I almost finished palabok.
Good.
Yeah, and pancit canton and bihon. This mixture, it was really good. And now I wanted to ask you, can I try this fish?
Yeah, it's bangus. But do you eat it?
But is it okay to eat ice?
Some people eat all of it.
What?
This is fried, but it's almost same feel. Fried.
Yeah, and usually people, it's like food for beer in Russia because it's salty and it's dry. So people just drink beer and this fish. It's very typical union. It's a bit oily for me.
It's fried.
Yeah, but it's delicious.
What about the Filipino comfort? You gonna try?
Next time.
Hi, Jen.
Hi, Liz. What is it?
I got you. Hello, hello.
I got you. And then ice cream. But what is what? Cheese?
Leche flan.
It's cheese?
Leche flan.
It's all ice?
Ice, yeah.
Ice? Like this?
No.
Okay, explain. Okay, give me.
You have to go deep like this and then just continue inside.
Oh my god, you should be Filipino to know, to do it properly.
No, because you see, look, the ice shape, it's really soft. And we got it from Raisons of Guagua. They're known for halo-halo.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Be careful.
It takes some time.
So you take it from the bottom and you try to mix it all. And this ice, does it have any specific taste?
No, ice shape. They add milk and it's evaporated milk. Now it's your turn.
You know, it looks like ice cream.
Yeah, it is. Some shop they put ice cream on top.
So should I take it like more from the bottom?
You can.
It doesn't smell.
Shouldn't smell. So cold.
You know, it doesn't have so much taste,
Yeah, because the sugar is probably on the bottom.
but it's good. I think this one, which was from the
called Leche
on the top, yeah, Leche flan. It's like condensed milk but boiled.
You need to grab the coconut from the bottom. What was it?
I don't know.
Maybe it's good.
No, it's not. Yeah, jackfruit. Yeah, it's some fruit. It's not so sugary. Wow, it's nice. No, but I'm gonna finish it.
Okay.
You know, it's a mixture of ice cream and some cake. Kind of.
Cake?
No, I don't know.
They're known for this shaved ice, like really like soft, like smooth.
Sometimes it's not like this.
The ones from the streets, yes. From the neighbor.
It's just ice.
No, it's ice, but it's
Cubes?
shaved ice, but bigger texture. This is like cloudy, soft, shaved ice.
It tastes like ice cream, but no. It's not so sweet, but I like that. It's not crazy sweet. I fished this.
Is it banana? It's chunky, right? It's banana.
But it's not fresh banana.
No, it's different banana. Stick one. We call it sago't.
Wow, all this coconut, look.
And you like coconut. We have so much coconut in the Philippines. So let's go.
Okay, let's go. So, Luis, how do you like halo-halo?
Wow, so good.
You know, it's not fair because I was digging, and now you are eating the
No.
most delicious part.
Okay then.
No, I'm okay. I ate so much ice.
But you like it?
It's good. What I like most about this halo-halo, because it doesn't have so many ingredients. Because I saw
Banana, jackfruit, and leche flan, plus the coconut.
coconut. Yeah,
It's your first time to eat halo-halo.
yeah. You know,
But you saw me eat halo-halo.
I saw you many times eating halo-halo. I'm so lucky to have a Filipino husband
Why?
because I would never try this kind of dessert. Just how is it to grow up with coconut? Because I grew up with the snow.
You grew up with coconut, usually you just ignore it.
It's like snow. We also ignore it.
Yeah, that's the same. But coconut is always good.
I think my first coconut when I was already old, I mean adult. For example, if you want something sweet and you are not sure what you want, for example, you want ice cream but you're not sure, so just buy Kala Kala.
Oh, really?
And it meets your expectations.
Yeah. It's a good closing for
For everything.
You had dinner, you had this, and then you just
Ice cream, some fruits. You cannot get it from just ice cream. Thank you, Luis, for this experience.
for this adventure.
Yeah.
So that is for now. Jen's adventure of Filipino food tasting.
It was really interesting, and we have so much Filipino food to taste.
More?
Yeah.
You want more?
Yeah, I'm sure you have a lot.
We have a lot.
See you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys.
See you. How a pregnant woman go down this corner.
You are such a gentleman, Luis.
Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.